Hello everybody, my name is Shrimpee and welcome to a Steam skin install tutorial. So, I'm sure that you've all seen the basic skin for Steam and it gets boring after a while. And this right here is the Metro skin, which is a skin that you can download, one of many skins that you can install for your Steam platform. So first, you're going to want to go to your browser and you are going to want to go to steamskins.org. That is steamskins, all lowercase, one word, .org. And here you will see several different skins. Metro skin, compact skin, plex skin, invert skin. There's a bunch of different pages. They're all very sleek, nice looking, built well, and they are good to have. So then what you're gonna want to do is click here on the skin. You will see screenshots of it, and then you're gonna come down here to Metro skin installation instructions. Here it is, and here you will see download the skin file. You're gonna want to do the direct download. Click show in folder. You'll see here Metro 4.3. And here you're going to want to go over to extract all. And after you extract it, you're going to want to move it to this folder. This PC, local disk C, or wherever Steam is installed, program files 86 Steam skins. So you're going to want to go up here and you're going to want to click into here and Control C. It's just one click. You're going to click Control C and then you're going to come over to this extract zip and you're going to Control V. Then you're going to click extract and it will install over here. After you do that, you can close all of these tabs. You are now done with that. Now you can move on to the Steam aspect. You're going to want to go to the three lines in the top left corner. You're going to want to go all the way down to settings. It's right next to restart Steam and exit at the very bottom. You're going to want to click on settings. Go to interface. You're going to start out right here. You're going to want to go down to interface. You're going to want to select right here. It will say default skin for you. You're going to want to go to Metro steamskins.org or Metro 4.24, whichever one is there for you. And then you will hit OK. I'm going to hit cancel just to reset my settings. But you will hit OK. And then you will go up here all the way down and you will click restart Steam and your new skin will be there. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was really fun making this video. It wasn't very hard and I'm glad that I can do something that is actually helpful. And it's fun to do that. It really is. So if you guys enjoyed this, I enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like on the video. Show your support. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike. Tell me why you didn't like it, and I'll respond. Thank you. Bye.